if you're a small YouTuber who uploads regularly, but each video only gets a few dozen views, take 2 minutes to check these 3 settings. Because you may have uploaded dozens of videos without ever setting them up, and if your channel is new, you should definitely do this. When YouTube doesn't have much viewer data yet, it relies on the information you provide to understand what your channel is about and who it's for, and what other content it's related to on YouTube. These settings won't instantly make a video go viral, but they'll make your channel clearer and more consistent. And many creators have never even seen the first one. Setting number 1, Channel Keywords. Open YouTube Studio. Click Settings, choose Channel, then open Basic Info. You'll see a box called Keywords. This is where you describe your entire channel with keywords. For example, if your channel is about AI voice, don't just use the keyword AI. Use specific phrases like AI voice text-to-speech, AI voice generator, subtitle-to-speech, and video dubbing. Think of it this way. If someone asks, "What is this channel about?" these keywords should give them the shortest answer. But only use topics you actually make content about. That's it. This takes about 30 seconds. But the next setting can save you even more time. Setting number 2, Upload Defaults. Still in Settings, choose Upload Defaults. This is something many small channels overlook. You can create a default description, and YouTube adds it to every new upload. For example, you could write, "This channel shares tutorials about AI voice, text-to-speech, subtitles, video dubbing, and AI tools for content creators." Then add your website, tool links, social media, and other information you want on every video. Now, whenever you upload a new video, that whole section is already there. You only need to add a few lines at the top that describe that specific video. If it's about Google Text-to-Speech, make the opening section about Google Text-to-Speech. For an OpenAI voice video, just change that opening section. The default information below stays the same. Simple and consistent, but there's one more option inside Upload Defaults that many creators usually skip. Setting number 3, Default Tags. You can set a few default tags here. But there's something important to remember. Don't spend hours spamming tags. Tags aren't magic. They won't make your video go viral. Just add a few keywords that truly describe your channel, like text-to-speech, AI voice, AI tools, and TTS tutorial. Then add more specific tags when a video needs them. For a Google Cloud TTS video, for example, use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech, Google TTS, and Google AI voice. That's all. You don't need 30 tags. And you don't need to copy all your competitors' keywords. More tags won't magically make a video go viral. But here's the most important part. These settings are only the foundation. They help keep your channel organized, but they don't decide whether people actually click and keep watching. What matters most is your topic, thumbnail, title, and the first few seconds of the video. So don't keep changing these settings every day. Set them up properly once. Then focus on something much more important: making videos people actually want to click and watch until the end. And if you're getting impressions, but people still aren't clicking, the problem may not be the algorithm.